William, thanks for coming on Soul Contract 2. How was it before you came, the training? What were your feelings about it?
I was hesitant, wasn't sure I understood a lot of the numbers, and didn't feel fully comfortable with giving readings yet.
And how's it been through the past 4 days?
Really reinforced a lot of the first class, the first course, and it's helped me be able to just flow and speak more from a space of understanding the other person, understanding where they're coming from, their story, versus trying to fix like certain numbers with them.
Okay, thank you. Tila, what do you take away from the training?
I thought the training was amazing. I found it to be profoundly healing through my personal experience in getting readings from the other people in the group. Very enlightening towards how the numbers interact together. And yeah, I'm really excited to share this work and help people better understand their relationships and potentially optimize their name one day. So thank you for this course.
Thank you. Angie, how's the last 4 days been? What are you taking away from it?
There was a lot in this level 2, and I just got a lot of like how much there's no coincidences in life and our relationships with people, and how our lives have turned up even more. So and I got to learn more in regards to the numbers, and yeah, so it's very like enlightening in that way.
Okay, thank you. Deanne, how's it been jumping back in? Where's she gone? No? Okay. Rachel, how's it been this immersion in 4 days of level 2? This next transmission.
I'm going to use your analogy. This was kind of like icing from the first level. So it was so interesting to see how the numbers danced with each other, especially in your relationships, and how accurate it was. Like it was just profoundly accurate. And so it was really interesting to see how they worked together, and it just solidified everything I learned in one.
Okay, thank you. Evelyn, how's level 2?
Intense.
Yeah. What do you take away from it?
Yeah, it was yeah, like Tila said, it was amazing. So much information, and I feel that I understand it now. The first time this was taught to me, it was much more from the left part of the brain. And now I understand how the numbers work more from a feeling place, feeling the energy more. Yeah, feels like I've up-leveled, like I've opened my crown chakra more to let more in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Sarah, how's the immersion in level 2 been?
I have to say it's a whole new level. And at the level 1, I was able to do the reading, but at the same time, I felt very abstract. It seems like there's a lot of commonality in the numbers and a very subtle difference between the numbers. So I could have really difficulty to really grasp each number, the essence of it. But through the level 2, I really get the subtlety of the numbers, and also from a really broad overview to see how the real essence of the energy encoded in the numbers. And I also was really shocked about the accuracy. And after I dig out more, able to interpret the number more, I figured there's so much hidden secrets in the numbers. And it's almost scary that if you don't know those secrets and you just live life, didn't know what's going on, but those numbers impact your life so much. And I see definitely could impact so many people's life once they have the awareness of what's going on. And also the optimization, the process, it also, I could see the potential of changing someone's life. So it's definitely, I'm just so glad that you offer the class. And I think I'm very confident my life will be different once I can optimize my day.
Okay,
Thank you.
Laurie, what are you taking away from level 2?
The power in seeing the new levels of how the numbers impact a person. I've been doing soul contract reading 1 with just the single dimension of their birth name, and adding the current name, the phonetic name, and then all of the relationships onto that, and seeing how all of that is affecting one's life and always running in one's life, and whether it's negatively or positively affecting them, and what we can do about that is extremely powerful. And the ability just to be able to understand it from that perspective, I think is really going to help a lot of people in a much deeper way. So I'm excited to be using these other dimensions with clients to really help them up level their lives in significant ways.
Okay, thank you. Maral, how's your structure now after 4 days with this work?
Yeah, good. I just want to say, so I'd rather not be on YouTube or on the website, but
You won't be. I just want to hear from you. I'll
yeah,
edit you out.
sure.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, no, better. I think the first day really got to me, probably because I was comparing it to level 1. And then I realized, no, it is very different. But no, I realized, like you said, it's very intuitive. I definitely feel far more confident. Really, really enjoyed it. I just find it really interesting, far more interesting than I thought. Especially the relationship, the overlays, really, really fascinating. So I got a lot out of it. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Anita, how are you doing after 4 days of this?
I feel after level 2, I'm able to have a better understanding of level 1, because I think level 2 really broadens the viewpoint. So it's really helping me actually get a better understanding of level 1 in a way. So yeah, it's beautiful. I love the depth with which it goes, and yeah, I'm looking forward to practicing, and I really love this work.
Yeah.
So I really have to say thank you for this.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, everybody.